everybody. It's Seth Jones, Editor-in-Chief of Golfdom Magazine. I'm at the 2026 PGA Merchandise Show, being joined by Peter Klaus of Pace Technology. Peter, talk to me. You guys had a big launch here at the EasyGo booth. Will you kind of show me what it is that you're excited about on the new Pace Technology screen?
Yeah, so, screens have been around for a while now, right? They provide the yardage, but it's more than just that for the player. GPS solutions provide a fleet management capability for the course operator. And historically, you've seen them like in different places. They're either mounted at the strut, some mount them kind of in the dashboard, most of them mount them in the roof. But the problem with under the roof line always has been is that it impedes into the view looking out between the struts. So we listened to our customers and we designed the brand new Onyx. It's the only one that is an ultra widescreen format. We increased the resolution on it. With that, we also kind of upgraded the operating system. So this is like the promise for the future. So not only did we release a whole bunch of features right now, but there's also the capability for releasing a lot more features for our customers going forward.
You were saying that the technology has gotten even better in terms of GPS. Can you explain a little bit like how it's gotten even more dialed in?
Yes. So, and I'm going to nerd out here for 1 second, right? But we're in the middle of an 11-year cycle for solar flares. In fact, for those who saw it in the news, right? There were northern lights all the way down to Texas a couple of days ago. And what happens with that is you get something called GPS drift, right? And unfortunately, that means is your cart is on the cart path, but on the GPS side, it shows up somewhere to the left or to the right? So what we did is we didn't just kind of have dual band GPS, which is sort of like almost a standard nowadays. We increased significantly the size of the GPS chip, which used to be sort of the size of a stamp. Now it is like 4 times the size of that. Gives us way more accuracy. But on top of that, what the Onyx does, and it's an industry first for GPS fleet management system, is it has RTK capability. It's an optional add-on. And what that does is it works in combination with a base station that gets installed at the clubhouse. Some courses already know this out of the turf business. And then you get centimeter accuracy, pinpoint accuracy. So you'll really virtually eliminate this issue of being drifted off to one side or the other just because I can't control the sun, because the sun has a sun flare, solar flare. It's a wonderful solution. When we look at the trails, I mean, you could have 100 cars going over the cart path, and they're really sitting on top of each other. There is no more drift whatsoever.
Very cool. Well, Peter, thanks for showing us, and congratulations.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Big day for you guys. Everybody's Peter Klaus. I'm Seth Jones. We're out here at the PGA Merchandise Show. Thanks for watching us on Golfdom TV.